Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is a simple stamping day. I want to show you this little gray card here. It's a note card. It's simple stamping, but this is also, we're going to be using the Floral Essence stamp set, but also what we're, let me bring this up, but this is also the stamp set we use in the August 2019 Stamp a Month Club. So this is just one of the cards we're going to be making there, but we're going to be doing a bunch of others. I've got some really great ideas. We're going to step this one up, and we're going to do a few others with some of these. And where are my other ones? And these. So now's your chance to join for $6 a month, for $6 for the first month, $15 thereafter per month. Join the Stamp a Month Club. Information is down below. So today what I want to show you is, I just want to show you how to do this great card. What we're going to be using, of course, is the Floral Essence stamp set. We are going to be using for inks, we're going to be using Seaside Spray, Old Olive, Rococo Rose, and Terracotta Tile. And the only other thing we're going to be using is we're going to be using one of the Whisper White note cards. So the first thing I am going to do is I'm going to ink up with Seaside Spray the larger flower. And then I'm just going to, okay, Mary, it would help if you put this on the right way. I was going to say, let me clean off the back of this sucker. Yeah, even we do it wrong sometimes, okay? So now that's better. So I'm just inking that up, and I'm going to stamp that probably close to the middle on the left side, and then I'm going to do one on the right side. Now there are 3 centers, and each one you'll notice that there's 3 flowers. There's this, this, and this. So you have to get the right center. This is the round one. This one, it has a little hook, goes there, and the one that's a V shape goes into that flower. So I am going to now take out my Rococo Rose. And I am going to stamp the centers, just like that. And then I'm going to take my Old Olive and the leaves, going to ink those up, and I'm just going to put them here, 3 along the side of the bottom. And it's okay that they don't fit. And then I am going to take my terracotta tile, and now I find these two, the Terracotta Tile and the Rococo Rose, to be really similar in color. So if you wanted to do the Rococo Rose, you can. Well, if you want to do any color, you can. And then this is going to be a birthday card. It's with friendly thoughts and best wishes today and every day. So there you go. I'm going to take my little envelope here. Going to again and there you have it. Quick, easy, simple stamping. A little more color than just one color, but I like doing that to make it look nicer. But there you have it. Quick, easy birthday card with simple stamping. Remember, follow me on YouTube, and all the information to join the Stamp a Month Club and also what you need to make this is down below. Thanks for visiting. Bye-bye.